Hello. This is Tua Viso, and I'm going to tell you how to use this wonderful anti-aging gem that will take care of your face in the comfort of your own home. Over time, your face is subject to evident changes. Wrinkles get deeper, skin loses its normal elasticity, it sags and loses tone. The microcurrent generated by Tua Viso produces ample, deep muscle contractions, increasing tissue oxygenation and nourishment. Tua Viso is composed of an ergonomic handle with two very important electrodes. They have an international patent and represent the true heart of the appliance. Inside, there is the electronics which supplies the stimulation impulses. The knob switches on the appliance and allows you to adjust the intensity. The button, on the other hand, allows you to set the required treatment time. The impulses generated by Tua Viso are delivered for 3 seconds, followed by a 3-second pause. For the first exercise, position Tua Viso on the temporal area, with the 2 electrodes placed sideways between the pinna and the edge of the eyebrow, but higher than this. With this exercise, you should see your eyebrow being lifted and feel the work along half of your forehead.